Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty in your browser. This guide focuses on using cloud gaming services, which stream the game directly to your web browser. This innovative approach allows you to enjoy popular Call of Duty titles on nearly any device with a stable internet connection, transforming your browser into a powerful gaming portal. You can jump into the action quickly without needing to download large game files or worry about your computer's specifications. To get started, you'll need to choose a cloud gaming platform. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming, GeForce Now, and Boosteroid offer access to different Call of Duty games, including Warzone. Some platforms even provide a free tier for certain titles, allowing you to try before you subscribe. Shadow PC offers a complete cloud-based Windows computer, letting you install and play any Call of Duty game through your browser. Setting up is straightforward. First, create an account and subscribe to your chosen cloud gaming service. A strong and stable internet connection is crucial. We recommend a minimum of 25 megabits per second for a smooth experience. Once your account is ready and your internet is robust, simply navigate to the service's website, log in, and select the Call of Duty title you wish to play. The game will then stream directly to your browser. For the best possible experience, consider a few optimization tips. A wired Ethernet connection will provide superior stability and lower latency compared to Wi-Fi, which is vital for fast-paced shooters. Experiment with in-game graphics settings to find a balance that looks great without impacting performance. Additionally, many cloud gaming services fully support game controllers, allowing you to enjoy Call of Duty with the familiar feel of a console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.